Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a set of press-ons. So we're going to start by taking them down to the right size. So these are a medium coffin, so I'm taking off the tip like so. Then we'll go ahead and do the other 9. Now we're going to buff the tip. This is so that the polish will adhere better to the plastic. So just make sure you buff it all around. Short nails work best. I'm using like a 150 grit at this point. And we've done all 10. Now I am using like a long wood stick. I'm just using some blue tack. Attach the tip and then I use some non-acetone nail polish remover to remove any dust or residue. Now we'll go in with our first coat of gel polish. This one's a nice blue and we're going to do a nice thin, even layer of the gel all over the tip, just like that. Make sure you get all sections obviously, and obviously cap that free edge. So nice and even because you don't want it to wrinkle on the tip. Then we'll place that in the lamp. And then we'll go ahead and do the second nail. We haven't cured that first one yet. So again, I'll wipe it off with the prep. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some base coat because this nail is going to be transparent with some butterflies on it. So we apply the base coat first. Just get that on in a nice thin layer like that. I'm actually using Urban Graffiti today. I actually love their products. Really good quality base and top coat. So now I have a white wax pencil. I'm not getting good pickup with this. Let's place it down. I'll change over to my little triangle tray. It picks up much better. So we'll literally just pick the butterflies up. Obviously blue to match the rest of the nails. And we're just placing them on top of the wet base coat. So it's the base coat that obviously holds them onto the nail. And then I'm going to place that into the lamp and fast forward where I've painted those other 3 blue. And then we're going to cure for 60 seconds as per the polish recommends. Once cured, we're going to go back in. And now you're going to do your second coat. So once again, you're going to get the product nice and sparingly on the brush. And just coat that full nail nice and even. Nice thin layer. These colours from Urban Graffiti are such good quality that you won't need more than the 2 coats. And we're going to remember to cap that free edge again. And we'll place that one back into the lamp. Ready to go once we finish the other 4. So this one's a little bit different. Obviously we've got the base coat with the butterflies in it. Now what we're going to do to encapsulate it is this I've got here is some hard gel. So you'll need a gel brush, which I'm just getting now. You want to dampen that with some non-acetone remover. And then we're just going to apply a small amount over the top of the butterflies. Obviously, these are already stuck down because we've cured the base coat to keep them attached to the nail. So you just want to apply enough so that they are just covered, so that basically they can't be picked off by the client or that they fall off even. So nice and evenly over the nail. Make sure there's no overhang on the edges like that. And then that's ready to go back in the lamp. We'll do the second coat on the other 3. Like so. They're done. And then 60 seconds on them all. Then once that secondary coat is done, everything has had its 2 coats. So we've done 2 coats of colour and the butterfly nail has had the base coat butterflies and then the hard gel. So now we're going in with the top coat. Again, this is the Urban Graffiti top coat. This is a no wipe top coat. Don't forget to cap your free edge. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to all 5 nails. So here we go. The butterflies are now encapsulated in the hard gel. So this is a really strong nail now where it's got base coat, hard gel, and now top coat. So this is what we call a jelly nail because you can see through it. So any sort of transparent nails are called jelly nails, unless it's pure and then it's called glass. So the top coat only requires 30 seconds. So we're going to cure those for 30. Once all done, you're going to take the tip off of the blue tack. You're going to get some pure alcohol and a little cotton swab. And you're going to clean up the underside where it's been stuck to the blue tack. And then you're going to rest that down. You're going to go ahead and do that to the other 5. So all of that residue on the back, just cleaning it off. And obviously this sanitizes the nail as well, which is nice. It keeps it nice and clean and make sure the client is getting it in the best condition possible. And this is how we prep them just before we put them in the box, basically. So we've got all 4. You see that the butterfly nail is going to correspond to the statement finger. Last but not least, the thumb. And then we'll magically jump the last 5. Like so. All done. And then we're going to box those up. There's some double-sided tape underneath them. They're all nicely set out in a display box. We're going to add in file, glue, and cuticle pusher. Then we're going to box them up. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye.